This is a full set of Proto brand snap ring pliers that I come across here recently for free, and somebody left them out in the weather and accumulated a bunch of rust on them. So what better way to utilize the EvapoRust and things like this? So I'm going to go ahead. I wanted to show you the before and after so you can kind of see what they look like. We'll see how these look. They already have like the black oxide coating on these things from the factory, but we're going to give them a soak overnight. I'm going to come back out here tomorrow. We'll pull them out and we'll see how these things look. Okay, so a full set of them plus a drawer. I'll clean the drawer up there, and we'll be able to stack them back up in here. All right, guys, it's been 24 hours since we put the Proto snap ring pliers in here. So let's go ahead and pull them out and see what they look like. It looks like it might have taken some of the black oxide off of it. Yep. That's interesting. Shows more of it down here on the ends than up here on the body. But they look good. They're definitely derusted. My plan is to just pull them out of here like this, and instead of rinsing them with water, I'm just going to spray them down with WD-40 right here. Yeah, that'll be nice. I'm just going to give them a little wipe down with the rag here just to kind of remove some of the crud that's still sitting on them, especially like off the handles there. And then we'll give them a spray down. Alright, there we go. There's a little better shot of it. I still haven't sprayed them down yet, but I think it turned out good. It's a really good way to easily clean the rust off these tools like that. Alright. Alright, we've got those coated down. This is the original case that they fit in, and I kind of cleaned it out too. It originally had it's got a lid that goes over it, but somebody was just using it like this, probably in a toolbox drawer. So I'm going to leave them just like this, and we're going to go ahead and just line them back up in this drawer right here, in this case, I mean. Look at that, man. Nice cleaned up set of tools, absolutely free. Love it. Very cool. I love doing this kind of stuff, and I enjoy kind of sharing this stuff with you. So just using the EvapoRust and cleaning some nice tools up for the shop here.